Mido's gravitational drilling technology allows for fully trenchless implementation of plumbing installations. This method works best when there is a need to install between the existing sewage chambers, where the surrounding infrastructure cannot be violated. The drilling rig is assembled by inserting the device into the well with a lifting device and fixing it on special hoops. The assembly and disassembly time is minimal, and the lane blockade is short-lived. In order to prevent the penetration of groundwater into the well, we use special sealing systems. We install sealing systems both in the starting and ending chambers. They prevent groundwater from penetrating into canals and sewage into the environment around the implemented installation. Our technology does not require additional drainage installations. The precise location system combined with the innovative drilling head positioning system allows the installation to be performed with the highest possible accuracy, reaching 0.2%. In most technologies and machines intended for horizontal drilling, single drives working with single heads are used. Such solutions do not allow for precise control of the drilling direction, which often results in an unacceptable change of the required gravity flow pipe. The Mido head is equipped with two independent drives, in which the first is responsible for drilling in the ground, and the second for the direction, which allows for precise control of the drilling. The sewage system is made of modular pipes which are connected by means of a compact squeezer. The total length of modular pipes including the introducing and expanding pins is 700 mm. Longer modular pipes with a maximum length of 1 meter can be produced. The tightness of the connection of individual modules is achieved by a gasket made of NBR. We invite you to visit our website www.mido.net.pl.